How to fix Samsung Galaxy A36 apps not working. So let's start the video. First of all, updates your app. For updating your app, then open Play Store, and then on top right corner you can see the account option. Now click on your account and then click on manage apps and device. Now click on updates. Now here you can update your apps. After update your apps, then go back to your home screen and clear the cache memory of your apps. After clear the cache memory, then open settings and scroll down and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on general management and then click on reset. Now scroll down in last and here you can see the option factory data reset. Now click on it, and after reset your factory data, then it will remove all the data in your device. Now click on reset. After factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.